Hi, it's Mary Lou again. So, one of the biggest challenges with going plant-based, and I've heard this said by many, is eliminating dairy. We know that that's not easy. I've experienced that myself. Actually, 33 years ago, I realized that I was lactose intolerant. That's when I began learning how to cook and eat without dairy. Now that since I've gone plant-based, I've eliminated dairy altogether, not just eliminating the lactose. And right off the top, I can tell you 5 great benefits of eliminating dairy from our diet. Number 1, if you are experiencing any aches, pains, gas, bloating from a lactose intolerance, it's going to go away. And it goes away almost immediately. Number 2, and appropriately so, your time in the bathroom is going to be a much better experience. Some people might experience constipation from eating dairy. So either way, your overall gut health is going to improve. Number 3, inflammation can come as a result of eating dairy. So if you have some joint pain or aches and pains somewhere, not eating dairy will cut down on the inflammation and make you feel better. Number 4, you're probably going to lose weight. There's lots of extra sugar and calories in dairy that we can just do without. And number 5, it will lower your cholesterol and lower your fat intake, which can be healthy. I guarantee you, give it a try, you will feel the difference. A couple of weeks, 3 weeks, see how you feel. This creamy white bean dish that we're gonna make today has no dairy at all. And when we're cooking plant-based, there's lots of different ways to make things creamy without using dairy. And this is just one of them. You won't miss the dairy in this one. Enjoy. I'm going to roast up these zucchinis today and pour this delicious creamy lemon rosemary bean dish over the top of them. We're using onions, garlic, carrots, celery, along with some spices, thyme, rosemary, oregano, and of course some salt and pepper. I have my white beans that are already rinsed, and in the end we'll add some fresh parsley and lemon juice. We'll put salt and pepper to taste, and using nutritional yeast and oat milk will make this dish nice and creamy, despite the fact that there's no dairy. I'm cutting my zucchinis into small slices. I'm going to sprinkle them with salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika. I'm spraying them with a little bit of olive oil. To keep things heart healthy, I'm just using a spray can. I'm going to toss those together, spray a little bit more olive oil so that altogether there's no more than a half a teaspoon. I'm going to toss those well and lay them out on a cookie sheet. I've used aluminum foil today, but you could use parchment paper. I've spread them out thin. I'm going to put them in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes, and I will check them and let them cook until they're brown and soft when poked with a fork. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up my vegetables and put them in a deep saute or frying pan. I have my garlic, onions, carrots, celery, and we'll put those all in with about a 1/4 cup of oat milk. At first, the oat milk just boils, but you'll notice that after a few minutes, it starts to reduce. Keep it on high until it starts to boil well, and stir it and keep an eye on it. When the vegetables are soft, you can add your spices, your beans, and another 1/2 cup of oat milk. Cover that up, bring it to a simmer. And while that's simmering for about 5 or 10 minutes, you can prepare your nutritional yeast, fresh parsley, and lemon juice. You'll see that it will need a little bit more liquid. I'm adding about a 1/4 cup more of oat milk, my nutritional yeast, and the juice of 1 large lemon. It's about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You'll see it's getting a nice creamy sauce. After you've added your fresh parsley, go ahead and give it a taste. Add salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper to taste. When it's good and hot, pour those creamy beans over the roasted zucchini, and you're done. Like I said, you won't miss the dairy in this one. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone else, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like it. I'd love to hear from you, so go ahead and leave your message or question in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.